How to make a luxury Shopify website step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can make a luxurious looking website on Shopify, like this sample store that I have created over here. And we're going to jump right in and get started. So to get started, we are going to click on customize and we're going to begin customization of our store. Now, there are a few different elements I like to design on Canva. First off, I will go through some of the basic things we will be designing. First off, you have your header. Then I want a new collection banner, a category section, a about us section, shop the faves, a feedback slider, and then a let's connect or blog post section. So to get started, on the top, I'm going to click on the header and I am going to change the logo. So to do that, I can just click on the header, scroll down, and I actually want to change the scheme to be black. So I will click that and click on edit and change the background color to be pitch black. Now, once I have done that, I will scroll down and I have my logo positioning. We have the logo info and then the theme settings. In our theme settings, we have the page drawer and pop-up notifications. And from here, you can upload your logo. I have uploaded my logo already. So I'm just going to select that. And once I've done that, our logo will be inserted. Now I want my logo to be placed in the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add top center. And this is how I want my logo to appear. Once I've done that, I can go to the second section and I'll click on the image banner and click on select image. Now I have already created this banner where I have inserted 3 different images. So this is a 3 image banner. If you want to create this, just go into Canva and then just search for a blank banner, open up a blank canvas. And once you do that, once you have your blank canvas on Canva, go into elements and then search for frame. Once you search for frame, you're going to take a square frame and then place it like this. Reduce the width to around 24 or 26 like this, and then just copy and then paste. Then you're going to adjust the sizing a little like this, so it fits a bit better into the canvas like this. Once almost all of your screen is occupied, take all of the frames, expand the ones on the sides a little like this, and then make sure everything is centered. And then you can insert any of your 3 images that you want. So if we go into fashion, let's say these are the 3 images like this, you can create a 3 image banner that I am using on our Shopify store. Now, instead of this heading saying, browse our latest product, I'm going to change it to shop our winter collection. And then I can click on the font and I'll make it bold over here. Now, once we've done that, we can see after this particular section, we have the positioning of our banner. So if we click on the banner, we can change the banner height. And I want to change this to maybe medium. And then after that, I want to remove this announcement bar. So on the top left, I will click on delete, and this will delete the announcement bar. Now, once we've done that, I will go into the text section. And for our little image banner that we have created, we're going to go into the image banner, scroll down, and then you have the content position. So I want the content to be right at the center. So I will click on middle center, and then the content will be moved up a little, or yeah, I think I want this to be at the middle center. Now, once we've done that, you can also customize the mobile layout, but for us, that's fine. Below that, we have a featured product section. Now, instead of featured products, I want to display my top picks. So I can click on the featured collection and rename it to top picks like this, our top picks like this. Now below that, it will display a certain collection. You can choose to display any particular collection, but I want this to be befitting with the overarching theme of a darker color. So I will just click on the section, and then on the left, you are going to click on the scheme and click on change. Change it to the 4th scheme, and you can click on edit to make sure that the background color is a pitch black. Now, once you've done that, we are going to start creating new sections in our home page. Now, the next section is going to be a About Us section. So we're going to click on Add section over here, and I can go on ahead and choose. So I'll go on ahead and choose a simple image with text section or a rich text section. Now, this just depends on the type of About Us section you want to build. So I want this to be a nice section where there's focus on the image. So I am going to use a image banner to display our About Us section because I want this to be more so a visual banner, and I'll place this below the featured collection. And then of the image banner, I'm going to select an image I want to use, like this one. And then after that, I'm going to add a image overlay. And then once I've done that, I can choose the banner height, the content position, and if I want a container or not, I want to display a container, and then the image behavior as well. Now going into the image banner, I'm going to rename this to About Us. And then after that, I will change the text to small and make it bold. And then go into the details section. And I want this to our brand creates luxury clothing. And then I'll just select this and ask the AI to this About Us section about our luxury cashmere, silk, and cotton clothing, like this. Click on generate like this, and then once I've done that, I might not want these buttons, so I'll click on the buttons and remove these instead. And within this block over here, so you guys can see there's the block, and in the block you can add more sections. So if you want, you can add more, text. If you want, you can make it longer. That's totally up to you. Now, below that, I want to add categories for our products. Now, I will click on Save on the top right, and then I'll go into our Shopify dashboard. So I'll exit into the dashboard, click on Products on the top left, and then click on Collections. Now, you're going to click on Create Collections, and you can create different collections based on different types of products that you are adding. I'm going to create 3 basic collections. One is going to be called Cashmere, one is going to be called Silk, and one is going to be cotton. So I'll just add the final collection so we can create a collection section on our Shopify store like this. Now, once I've done that, I can go back into our online store, and you can create a distinctive page to represent each individual collection. So you can go into online store, click on pages, click on add page, and this could be your silk page. This could be a page to display the cotton products, but you usually don't have to do that. So we can just continue on with our customization. And from here, you're going to click on Add Section. And in this section, there are different ways to display your collections. I can do this with a featured collection with a collections list. You can click on Collections List over here and choose to display different collections. You can select each individual collection from here. So one is going to be cashmere, the next one is going to be cotton, and the next one is going to be silk, like this. And then the default image for all of these will pop up. Now I haven't set a image, so currently there is no image, but the image that you have set for each individual collection will be displayed over here. Now for the background, I'm going to do the same thing where I'm going to change it into the dark theme. Now, once I've gone into the dark theme, I can start adding our final section, which is going to be a contact us or let's get connected section. So for that, click on add section. And you will see you have a simple page title that you can insert, but that is not going to work for a Let's Connect section. For that, you can usually go into a rich text section, and then you're going to click on the first section and click on the text and just add Let's Connect over here. We're going to make this bold and make this large. And then after that, we have this over here. So from here, connect with us on your socials like this. And then in the button section, you have the first button and the second button. So in the first button, I want to add Instagram, and the first button would lead to instagram.com, and the second button might be TikTok, and then this would be tiktok.com, like this. Now I'm also going to change the color scheme of this section to fit, and then I can click on save on the top right, and this is just the home page of our luxurious Shopify store. So now if we click on preview, this is our Shopify store that we have designed today. Now you guys can see it looks really nice. It's a really well crafted store, and in this way you can build your own Shopify store as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.